to the Edition Financial Arena, which is where UCF plays. And the show starts at 7:30. So we're doing pretty good on time. The hotel's only like 9 minutes away. So we were able to come in. We got in the garage pretty quick. Parking was really fast. I just tapped the phone real quick and yeah, we're on our way.
We'll send a letter to the Attorney General's office in Colorado. Whatever that thing you got, beginning with our faces on it.
Swaying, ocean breeze, dancing in the warm night's ease. Laughter echoes, waves roll in. Let the summer fun begin. Get to rhythm through the bite. Summer love comes alive. Summer vibes all night, shining bright. Under stars we feel the light. Dancing to the break of dawn.
It's cold, right? I told you. I caught a few stragglers. I'm mooching off my floaty.
It's cold. Okay.
Yeah, is it cold? Mister, it's not cold, it's fine.
On the stars we feel the light. Dancing till the break of dawn. Summer's magic carries on. Golden sands beneath our feet. Music flows, we feel the beat. Bonfire roll, hearts collide.
Uh-oh. Boys! Wave, wave!
Wait. Why is my hair
It's a
looking?
video.
Yeah, so why is my hair looking?
We're on this little, what is this?
It's sky.
A gondola. Oh, ski lift, that's right.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume.
Okay, so we're not that high.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
We are. I wanted to do this so bad and I'm terrified. Alright, so you can see Tower of Terror. And then this one is Dolphin over here. Let's see if I can get my finger over here. Tower of Terror is right here. So much. So we're in line waiting, and you can see the Tree of Life right here and Mount Everest, the Animal Kingdom. And
Oh, yes,
Pandora's right there. So you got all 1, 2, 3.
We feel the light, dancing till the break of dawn. Summer's magic carries on. Golden sands beneath our feet. Music flows, we feel the beat.
We got the sand hill. It has, what is that? Chocolate, vanilla, cake, hot fudge, brownie, not frost, whipped cream. Why are you looking like that? And a cherry. I love this. I will say they used to have it in a bucket, like a actual sand pail, but now they have this little one. I guess inflation, but it's super cute.
Summer love comes alive. Summer vibes all night, shining bright. On the stars we feel the light. Dancing till the break of dawn. Summer's magic carries on.
Guys, say goodbye.